Esililwa thanthatu mauani alama etha kitukotini wa masako muthenyani wa umuthi atatu mamone malekoma na etina ukunikili kuonania kana mayukonanwa na mabitio asu ma uwani wala namo atatu itina wa kubikombe wa musili munene wa makwani Josephine Mongare yu maende na kupinga wakisesene cha polisi cha masako na mayiko ukunikili wa wima wa kiliko hospitali ni munene wa masako nekana maka umilwa kotini matukume ngole na kenda mwini uwa mwonza nekana kusomewa mabitio mo karo no kutwalese
itina wa maofisa ma polisi kuongelwa mithena ili ya kwika ukunikili wa kiko cha uwani cha imwana itatu kila chatwa ewe utuku wa matuku 31 mwei wa katano mwaka wa 2023 ba musino wa masaku esililwa thanthatu ala mekiwe mbini matuku mekipathukanyo maikonano na kiko kiu cha uwani na methitwe mabingitwe kiseseni cha polisi cha masaku umuthi ni maumilwa kotini wa nthi kana loa koti wa masaku mbe wa musili munene wa makwani Betty Koech vala atatu asu Yusuf Saidi Esther Mumbua na Mutuku Muli male kwa mana etina wa ukunikili kuona nyakana mayuko na nywana mavitio asu mauani.
And one Francis Kimel, who we shall be charged with the High Court. As for Keith Mutuku and Esther Mumbua, they are to be released.
Keith and Esther. Yes.
Esililwa langi atatu itina wa ikwaniyo kuthamiwa kotini munene wa masaku mbe wa musili munene wa makwani Josephine Mongare ni wanengane mwana wa atatu wasuala ni Robert Mwenda, Dominic Muinde na Francis Mutinda matwawe sivitali ni munene wa masaku ni kana kusiwa uima wa iliko sio na ende mayende ya na uvingi wa kiseseni cha polisi cha masaku.
The first accused person has already appointed counsel representing the matter. The deputy registrar is directed to ensure that the second and third accused persons are provided with pro bono advocates to represent them. The officer in charge, Machakos Prison, is directed to ensure that all the accused persons are presented at Machakos Level 5 Hospital for mental health assessment on their fitness to stand trial.
Atatu ayu makaumilwa kotini munene wa masaku matuko 29 mwei wa mwonza mwaka wa 2023 ni kana kusomewa mavitio mombe wa musili munene wa makwani.
All accused persons shall be held at Machakos Main Prison. The interim shall mention this matter on the 29th of July to await the report by the hospital.
Ndili voti ya vilingi wa mavo kumava kotini wa masaku ni Karo wa Munyoki.